This market review is of the 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. It's a 1/25th scale model by AMT, and this is the Jack Reacher version. And so they have some pictures from the movie, a picture of the finished model, and some more pictures of the finished model. And it says 2 engine options, so we'll have to have a look. And options for wheels, it seems. It is a nice looking model. So let's have a look inside here. So first of all, here we have our chrome parts. We'll have a look at those. Lots of chrome from these 70s cars. We have our different wheels here. I don't really like this chrome. Surface is too shiny, doesn't show up some of the detail. And you're going to need to paint the insides of it black. You can't do that on this chrome. Here's our front grille, rear bumper, some engine parts here, and stick shift. Next we'll look at our body here. So this is not very well molded. I mean, there's some details, sure, but the surfaces are irregular. They're definitely rough. You can see the inside here. These are all gonna need to be sanded down. That's a fair amount of extra work. Here's our chassis. Some surface detail here that's reasonable, but again, very irregular, not very good quality molding. So here we have our tires, and these are nice soft tires, and they've got the Goodyear painted on already. That's nice. We have an axle. We have our rear tail lights. Here we have our glass. It's reasonably good condition with headlights. Next we have our exhausts here. Looks like our rear drive shaft and differential. Our steering wheel. Molding quality just isn't great. And here's our firewall. We have our cockpit tub. Here we have our dashboard. Just look at all that flashing. Here's our bench seat. Also got mold lines. Not really good quality, but this is an older model mold. Here's that weird fan. Some engine parts here, and air intake. More engine parts. Here we have our front seats. Again, molding not great. We have wheels, and we have our exhausts. Next here we have our, these are probably the backs of the seats. Some more exhaust parts, and we have our front hood. Here we have our belt, radiator. We've got our engine here and transmission. More engine parts, our oil pan. And let's have a look at our decals. So this is for the movie version, Jack Reacher. and that'll just need to be stuck on. Here we have our instrument panel. Let's have a look at our instructions, you know. So, over here we have the engine parts. Finish up with the engine over here. And next we put the wheels together. And these are the colors. So this is nice. Yeah, these tells you the colors that went with the interiors with the exterior paint. And next we build our cockpits. Start to build our chassis with the suspension and exhaust. Engine is then mounted. And here's the other option. And next we put the wheels on and start to build the body. Front goes on, back goes on, radiator, that's all then mounted to the chassis, and then lastly the hood and probably air intake. So all in all, reasonable level of detail. Molding quality is not great though.